Hello, I'm Michelle with Club Car's Custom Solutions Department. Thank you for purchasing the wheelchair accessible Transporter XLC. In this video, we're going to cover basic functions so you and your team are knowledgeable and confident when operating the vehicle. For further information, refer to the operator's manual and the owner's manual supplement. Approaching the boarding location. After arriving at the boarding location and coming to a stop, ensure the vehicle is safely parked on a flat and level surface. Set the parking brake. Place the car in neutral and turn the key to the ramp position. This will disable the vehicle while the access ramp system is in use. Located on the dashboard, press the kneel switch to the on position. The vehicle should be kneeled unless being deployed at a curb. Deploying the offside gate. Grasp the round end of the slam lock holding the offside gate and pull firmly to release. Pull the gate to its fully deployed position. Give a firm inward tug to ensure that the slam lock has re-engaged through the striker plate. Deploying and unfolding the ramp. Press the ramp stow latch button on the ramp pivot post to release the ramp. Pull the ramp into the folded position until it clicks into place. Next, grab the lower part of the handle with your left hand and gently press the ramp release tab with your right hand to release the ramp from its folded position. Once the ramp is separated from the latch, the kneeling system automatically starts lowering the floor of the vehicle. Pull the ramp handle and it will slowly unfold. If the ramp doesn't fully unfold, gently step into the middle of the ramp to force it to unfold. Boarding a wheelchair passenger. Once the ramp is fully unfolded, you may board a wheelchair passenger. Carefully guide the wheelchair passenger up the ramp and position them in a forward-facing position on the vehicle loading deck. Set the wheelchair brakes to secure the chair. Attach the rear restraints. Lift the flush mount cover, press the rear retractor release button, and pull the hook. Spool out sufficient webbing to attach the hook to the wheelchair. Never attach the restraints to a detachable or removable part of the wheelchair. Attach the front restraints. Activate the front restraint release switch located on the ramp pivot post. Notice the indicator light is illuminated when the switch is turned on. Spool out sufficient webbing to attach the hook to the wheelchair. Never attach the restraints to a detachable or removable part of the wheelchair. Tighten the wheelchair restraints. Turn off the front restraint release switch. Notice the indicator light is no longer illuminated. Momentarily release the wheelchair brakes and move the chair forward and backward against the restraints. Reset the wheelchair brakes. Attach the lap belt. The ends of the lap assembly are fitted with wrinkled D-rings that attach to capstan bolts that extend from the flush mount retractors. Attach the lap belt to the outermost capstan bolt. Tighten the lap belt low and tight across the lap of the wheelchair occupant. The lap belt must be positioned low and tight across the lap of the wheelchair occupant. Lift and secure the ramp. Standing at the right side of the ramp, Bend with your knees, then grab the handle. Lift with your legs and gently lift the ramp in one continuous motion up and toward the vehicle. Listen for the audible click as the ramp reaches its full upright position. Gently tug on the handle to ensure the ramp has latched into its folded position. Prepare to depart. Once the ramp is securely latched, the kneeling system will automatically return the vehicle to its normal riding height. With both the passenger and ramp secure, the vehicle may be operated. Turn the switch to the on position. Use extreme caution when operating the vehicle with passengers on board. Approaching the destination. After arriving at the destination and coming to a stop, ensure the vehicle is safely parked on a flat and level surface. Here, the vehicle is being deployed at a curb so the vehicle is not kneeled. Set the parking brake. Turn the kneel switch to the off position. Place the car in neutral and turn the key to the ramp position. This will disable the vehicle while the access ramp system is in use. Unfolding the ramp. Press the ramp release button to release the ramp from its folded position. Grab the lower part of the handle with your left hand. Pull the ramp handle and it will slowly unfold. If the ramp doesn't fully unfold, gently step into the middle of the ramp to force it to unfold. Remove lap belt and chair restraints. Remove the lap belt assembly from the wheelchair occupant. And stow it in the designated storage location on the vehicle. Turn the front restraint release switch to the on position. Notice the indicator light is illuminated when the switch is turned on. Allow the front retractor to spool the webbing back into the retractor. Turn the switch back to the off position. Notice the indicator light is no longer illuminated. Detach the rear restraints. Press the rear retractor release button on the side of the flush mount. Spool webbing back into the retractor and replace the hook to its stowed position. Alighting the wheelchair passenger. Unlock the wheelchair brakes and carefully guide the wheelchair passenger down the ramp. Folding and stowing the ramp. Standing at the right side of the ramp facing the vehicle, bend with your knees, then grab the handle, lift with your legs and gently lift the ramp in one continuous motion up and toward the vehicle. Listen for the audible click as the ramp reaches its full upright position. Gently tug on the handle to ensure that the ramp has latched into its folded position. Press the ramp deploy latch button to release the ramp. Gently swivel the ramp to its fully stowed position. Firmly push the ramp into its stowed position, listening for an audible click. Gently pull back on the ramp to ensure that the ramp is locked. Stowing the offside gate. After the ramp is securely stowed, the offside gate can be stowed. Grasp the round ball end of the slam lock that's holding the offside gate in the deployed position and pull firmly to release. Push the gate to its fully stowed position over the front of the ramp. Fully tug the gate to ensure the slam lock has re-engaged through the striker plate located on the passenger side of the ramp. With the access ramp system secured, the vehicle may be operated, or if the vehicle is no longer being operated, it may be turned off. Turn off the vehicle. To turn off the vehicle, Set the parking brake. Place the car in neutral. Turn the kneel switch to the off position. Then turn the key switch to the off position and remove the key from the ignition. When the vehicle is not being used to move a wheelchair passenger, it can be used for standard transport of up to 4 passengers or to transport bulky equipment or supplies such as carpet scrubbers, patio heaters, and more. For further information, refer to the operator's manual and the owner's manual supplement. Now that we've reviewed how to operate the Wheelchair Accessible Transporter XLC, you can confidently operate the vehicle at your location. As always, we welcome your feedback. Thank you for your purchase and for giving us the opportunity to assist with your operations.